Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you how I do my Psytrance kick drums with kick 2. You can also use 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗡𝗟𝗢. Also works really good. Kick 2 and 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗡𝗟𝗢 edition. Also amazing kick VST. It works pretty same as this kick 2 is a little bit more advanced, has more features, and also it has visual representation of what we do. 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗡𝗟𝗢 is something like this. So you cannot see anything. You have to use maybe I don't know how to turn on the scope to see what's going on. But anyway, today we're going to use kick 2. I want to do Psytrance kick. So first of all, what we have to do, probably you don't have the same default preset, I don't know, but what we're gonna do first. All right guys, it's the first time when I'm making this tutorial. Third time. Okay, look, I will turn off everything here. I mean, I will take out these dots here. Also, I will do like this. So we're gonna have everything from 0. Yes, and what is the most important here in the kicks, in the Psytrance kicks, especially the length. The length should be like so. As you can see here, it represents 1/8 bars. So the kicks for Psytrance full on, the powerful kicks, there are most likely like so 1/8 bar length. For like faster tempo genres like dark psytrance and high tech and whatever, the kicks are a little bit shorter, like around here, or even 1/16 length. All right, so now we're going to focus on 1/8. So 1/8 is around 300 milliseconds, right? First of all, what we can do, first of all, we're going to go into amp section, because here we're going to do the shape of our kick. So what we have to do here is good to have this dot just next to this wall, because it's going to have nice and clicky, nice punch. All right, and here I need to add 1 and 2 dots, because this one will be our bell, and we need to make the fishy shape here in the amp section. So I will go in with this dot like so, and I want to bend those lines like so, and I will go here, and this one I will also go quite far, even like this. Oh, like so. And let's see. Here, this line is also very important, because it's going to add punch, low frequency punch here, and this dot can shorten and decrease and increase your kick, make it longer and shorter. Okay, so now we have something like that, and this is time and now it's time to go into pitch. So here we have two dots. this dot, it's about pitch, and this dot, it's about our note, key note. All right. So for example, I will go into E1. You can go even like into C1, C sharp 1 example. And here I will add for now only one dot. And I want to show you how it's going to be, how it's gonna sound now. So look at this. I will just play it without bass. Okay, so we have pretty nice kick already. Look at this. And in the end, I hear some click. So it's this one. Excuse me. So we have to move this dot. Like so. Now we have nice clean sound. Look at this. Only 1, 2, 3 dots. Beautiful kick. Beautiful. And here, if you're going to do your own kicks, remember to have the size scope. Size scope is it's a free VST, so you can see the shape of your kick. Very nice. Also, what is really important if you do Psytrance, you need to check your alignment between your kick and bass. So you have to put, it's good to do, for example, like this. I have my kick here and bass here in one group. So I put the size scope on my group and kick bass. And here you need to go into side chain and choose your kick as a source, and then you need to click layers, and you will see your kick and your bass in correlation to each other. Perfect. So now you can adjust a little bit this kick, and also remember that you can also add, I will just do the kick, so you can add, for example, click. You can add hats, clicks, effects. There is a lot of things to add. You can change the pitch, you can change length, you can add volume or take volume down. Okay, you have also EQ, you can edit, you can boost your low end, you can boost your high end or take it down. All right, but I will turn it off. And also there is distortion, so you can distort your kicks. There is also filter, but I'm turning it off. And there is a drive, there is also compressor here. And here is also very important thing what you can add here. You can change easily pitch by changing this pitch one. Look at this. So now you can see if it's better or not. Nice. Yeah, but this one is much better, I think. Oh, D1, it's much better. So that's how you're supposed to do. Nice and easy. Look at this. Only 3 dots, and we have beautiful kick. Very punchy. And if it's too punchy for you, I think I will I will save it as a kick tutorial, psy kick tutorial. Okay. And now if it's too punchy, you can go into amp section, and for example you can bend down this. So it has a little bit less punch of this low frequency. But to be honest, I love how it sounds, okay? That's perfect. So if you have something like this, you don't need anything more. You just need to check the correlation. It's almost perfect. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I'm not going to do anything more. So remember that if you gonna turn your, add more dots, you can bend these lines up, down, and see what's gonna happen, and see what kind of kick you're going to get. Remember, the higher you go, okay, I will just duplicate and show you maybe. Okay, so now I will show you what you can do if I go higher and I will bend it a little bit up, I will get more Psytrance kick drum. Look at this. I changed this. Yeah, I changed this one. This one. Yeah. Amazing. Also. Okay, so I'm going to the pitch, and if I will go even more higher, I will get more laser sound. More like a 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘, like a 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗡𝗙𝗘𝗙 kick, yeah. Oh, here we go. So now you have 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗡𝗙𝗘𝗙. Beautiful. Okay, and remember that you can also take down this dot, so we have a little bit less laser sound. You can bend it like so, or like that, or you can go backwards. Another very nice kick, look. Another thing what you can do, you can change your pitch here. Nice. Beautiful kick, another one. I will save it. Tutorial 2. Very nice. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I tried to show you as simple as possible. I'm not too technical. I don't like go too deep into calculation, because I know Psytrance producers, they are sometimes really crazy about, you know, technical things. Even they do they kicks with a mathematic, you know, solution and stuff. But for me, it's enough to have size scope, nice alignment, and then, you know, I just want to let you know that yesterday on my store I released Ascentis. It's a pack of Psytrance kicks. It has 40 main kicks plus 5 bonus kick drums made in Kick 2 and Kick 𝗙𝗙𝗪𝗡𝗙𝗘, available on my stores. And also I create free demo pack of my 10 kicks, so you can download it for free and see how it works in your project. And if you're gonna like it, get the full pack.
If you want me to cover more topics of music production in 𝗙𝗢𝗪𝗡𝗘 and Psytrance, just let me know down in the comments below, and I will consider to do another tutorial in this topic. Don't forget, guys, to follow me on my Instagram, on my Facebook, and if you want to get more preset packs or sample packs, you can check my Gumroad on my website. Every single link is down below this video. Hey guys, thank you very much for watching. If you like it, subscribe, like this video, and see you in the next one.